Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Darren Martin, and I will be doing the Design Standards training for the 2014 Design Update training. So let's just hop in and go straight into it. We are the roadway design webpage, and it can be found at www.dot.state.florida.us/rt/design/default.shtm. On this website, you'll be able to look at the different topics that are available, links, and of course some contact information. Today we're basically going to be looking at the Design Standards webpage. So let's click on there. This is the Design Standards webpage. It has three different sections. There is the Industry Review section, Current Design Standards section, and of course the Historical. Today let's look at the Industry Review. And here we have the origination form and the instructions for the origination form and the example of the origination form. We have the current submittals under review site, and we have the submittal history site as well. Let's first of all look at the origination form. This is the form that's going to be filled out by someone who finds a correction within any index. And this person fills this form out, and it basically gives some basic information, contact information, commentary to design standards, indexes and sheet numbers and background, how it's going to be implemented, some other affected documents like the PPM or the basis of estimates or standard specifications. Also, the origination package could have several other supporting documents such as the red lines or proposed IDSs or anything like that. After filling this form out, I would definitely suggest hitting the Save button to save this document, because once it's sent, it's no longer available. You see there, as clicking the Send will create an origination email. Please attach all supporting document to this email to complete the origination package. Once you click Send, you'll go to a regular email page, and there you will see that you can attach your documentation to complete the package. And if you could, please put in the subject line the index number in the subject line to indicate which index, because that does help in filtering and stuff. This particular site right here just shows us the instructions, the why you're doing what you're doing. And then the example shows you an actual filled out sheet that you can compare notes to. Current submittals under review. After the origination form has been sent to me and we have gone through it and made changes and made proposed design standards revisions, we will place them on this site for industry review. Here you will be able to download and view the origination form. There's an index title. You'll be able to download and review the red lines and the proposed design standards revisions, and you'll be able to note when the review date ends. This part of the website will let you be able to contact us. You can send me some commentary, give me your contact information, upload PDFs, and then submit the file. Now, after that has been sent to us, we hold on to it for 30 days for all the reviews to come in, and we compile the the comments, and we then place the comments back onto the industry review history page. And here again you see the origination form, the red lines, and here you see the comments to responses and the proposed design standards. They will be taken off of the industry review page and placed here because they're no longer under review there. And if you click here, you'll see there's the comments and responses page, and pretty much straightforward. Read through it and see if there's anything that pertains to the projects or indices you're working on. Now we're going to come to the current design standards. This is the 2014 release. There's the design standard e-booklet. There is the design standard revisions, the developmental design standards. Let's go back to the design standards ebook and place it. Here's the web page for the 2014 design standards ebook. Here's the same information. It's kind of fluent. You got the complete ebook that you can download and use or save and do whatever you need to. And the same thing with the instructions for design standards, the data table cell library, and the borderless DGNs. Let's go ahead and open up an index. If you go to index 199 and click on it, it brings up the index. You can use it, pull information off of it, whatever you need to do to it. I'll come over here to IDS 199 and again open it up, and it gives you the instructions for design standards for index 199. As you notice that the data table cell library and the borderless DGNs is empty. These are not available for distribution. Let's go back to the design standard site and let's look at the revised standard, the design standards revisions. As we go through the year and we find the corrections and stuff and we've set out bulletins, these are where you'll find those revisions. Here again you have the index number, the sheet numbers, the index title, again the instructions for design standards, the data table cell libraries, the borderless DGNs, and a link to the associated design bulletins. Okay, gonna back there, and here we're going to go to the developmental design standards. Here again you have the developmental index numbers, and they're in PDFs. You have the title. The monitor is the contact person. If you need to contact someone for the design standards, you can do that. Instructions for developmental design standards and applicable developmental specifications. As you see, they're noted yes or no. They either exist or don't. If you click on say like D477, if you click on the name there, Gavin McDaniel, it will just open up a email, and you can email him directly. All right, here we have the historical area. Again, the 2013, the fiscal year 2012-13 pretty much acts exactly like the 2014, and then everything under that 2010 to 2000. As you see there, you have the standards and the interims and other design modifications. If you're looking for that type of stuff, it will be found here. At this point, pretty much straightforward through that process. Again, my name is Darren Martin. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them, and I thank you for your time.